In this video, I'm going to show you how to invest in an index fund on Cash App. So Cash App is a full service banking and investing app. You have a cash balance, savings, Bitcoin, stocks, paychecks. You can even do your taxes. You have a card where you can spend your balance, and you can do peer-to-peer payments. And they've made all of these features extremely easy to use, which is something I don't think should be overlooked because some of these other apps are pretty complicated to use. So the starting point is kind of your cash balance. You can transfer money to and from your bank to this cash balance, and you use your cash balance to participate in the other features on the app: savings, Bitcoin, stocks, credit card, etc. And if you want to learn how to use any of these other features, you can check out the tutorial videos on my channel where there's hundreds of them for Cash App. So one of the big things I wanted to understand for investing before I created this video is the difference between an index fund and an ETF. So basically you can just Google this and it's going to give you an overview. ETF is basically the same thing as an index fund, but it's set up like a stock and you can trade it quicker and more efficiently. And it does have some advantages with smaller investment requirements and taxes. So basically these are kind of the same things, but ETFs are easier to use and you just trade them like a stock. Essentially, you're buying a fund or a portfolio of a bunch of different stocks so that you're more diversified and you aren't just putting all of your money into one stock or one idea and then that idea could go to nothing and you're kind of screwed. This is a portfolio of a bunch of different stuff so that if one thing in the portfolio fails, you're not at risk. I hope that makes sense. So the first thing I want to do is get some money in my cash balance. I could tap add money and just transfer this from my bank, but I have a bunch of money here in my savings. If you want to learn how to use this feature, definitely check out the other videos in my channel. I'm just going to transfer out $50, move to cash balance. It's going to scan my Face ID and done. You can also see that you get earnings on the first of every month for holding money in your savings here. But let's go back. You can see I now transfer that 50 to my cash balance, and I can use this cash balance to purchase stocks. So now we want to go to the stocks tab. I don't have much in stocks here at all. I've invested $4 in stocks. I believe I bought $1 of each of these that you see here on the screen. So to find the ETFs, you can tap on search. This will help you find specific stocks or categories that you want. And then under categories, you can tap ETF and apply. So some of the popular ones I know are SPY, QQQ, and VOO. So let's go ahead and buy a little bit of a couple of these to show you how it works. So I can tap SPY, I can scroll down and see the information about this. The investment seeks to provide investment results that before expenses correspond generally to the price and yield performance of the S&P 500 index. So basically it's mimicking the S&P 500. We can scroll down and see some information on this. A share price is $558. You don't have to buy a whole share. You can buy just $1, or you can set your app up to dollar cost average, buy $1 every day or $10 a day, $10 a week, however you want to set it up. If we swipe over, we can also see that owning this will give you a dividend yield of 1.23%. I believe that's per year. So if you hold this stock, it'll also pay you, I believe, quarterly. So there's how to get some more information on it. To purchase this, you just want to tap buy. I'm going to buy $10 worth. You can also change the order type. If you want to do like limit orders or buy specific prices, you can check out my other videos and learn how to do that. And if you want to set up an auto invest, basically a dollar cost average feature, you can do that as well. I'm just going to type in $10 for now, tap next. This should give me my order details. Funding source is going to be my Cash App balance. It turns out that the market is closed right now for this, unfortunately. But I can basically just schedule to purchase it tomorrow, so I'll do that, schedule, and tap done. So we've scheduled to order $10 of SPY. Let's also do the VOO one. Could scroll down and get more info. This will also give us a dividend yield. We'll tap buy on this. Tap $10, tap next. And we're going to have to schedule this one as well. Done. So you can see my Cash App balance is now $31 because I scheduled those two $10 purchases. During the normal stock market hours, you should just be able to purchase it immediately and not have to worry about scheduling it. But let's pop back tomorrow morning once these are purchased and I'll continue on with the video. Okay, so it's the next day. We can go to my stocks here and see my balance has increased because I've made the two purchases of these ETFs. If we tap on these, we can see I'm down 3 cents, but no worries, this is a long-term investment. And we can see this purchase went through right at 7:30 a.m. And then if we click on this one, same story. This purchase also went through at 7:30 a.m. So both went through right when the market opened. I'm gonna come back to the ETFs here. We can also look at QQQ. This one's more corresponding to the NASDAQ 100 index. So let's show an instant buy for this. Let's buy $10 as well. Tap next, scan my face. It's gonna give me my order details and tap confirm. So just like that, I've purchased $10 of the QQQ ETF. Just go back, take a look at my portfolio. I now have $37. Here's my all-time performance. There's a full look at my portfolio. And there you have it, how to purchase ETFs on Cash App. This is a full-service banking and investing app that has the ability to do what the other big investment and stock apps do. Hope you guys enjoyed this, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.